Hello. Today we will see how we can scrape any YouTube playlist listing using Minexa.ai. So first we will open the Minexa web app and we will click on the list mode, and then we will copy the YouTube's playlist URL and simply paste it here in Minexa web app. Now we have to feed some sample data to Minexa. We will simply copy the playlist. As you can see, I have copied the playlist videos for some sample data, and I will just simply Control C to copy it and paste it in the sample data. Now I will click on create scraper, and this may take up to 2 minutes, and Minexa will scrap the playlist content for me. As you can see, Minexa AI has successfully scraped all the data. So now, if I want to select any number of columns that I need, like I need video title, the uploaded date, and the video thumbnail URL, and also the video URL which is in this column 8. So I have selected these columns. Now Minexa have created me a code. I will copy this code and paste it here in the data as data value. So I will attach that GitHub link also. Now I will paste that code as data value. Now I will run the scraper. As you can see, Minexa has successfully scraped all the data. So here are the data files. We will see the JSON one. So here are the results list, and I have the thumbnail URL, video title, all the tag attributes, etc., and also the video URL. So this is how easy to scrap the YouTube playlist using the Minexa AI.